Good evening, everyone. Welcome to my channel. Hope you're all doing well. So, today is 15th August, and I would like to wish you all a very happy Independence Day. So, I was really thinking what to talk about today because today is indeed a special day, a very important day, a day that is very close to our heart. So, I was wondering what to talk about, because we do talk about the usual stuff, right? We we try to be patriotic and we celebrate it by wishing each other. But then, something just struck my mind. Something just came to my mind, and I really wanted to talk to you about that. So, what I was thinking is, you see, we all of us, most of us, in fact, try to take some sort of pledge when it comes to New Year, right? On the very first day of the year. So we all sort of make a list of things that we want to do and things that we don't want to do, right? So why not, move that to Independence Day? Because after all, this is the day in reality where we can take the pledge and we can really be responsible enough to carry that forward and in fact fulfill it, because most of the time the wishes, the wish list that we prepare, especially on the occasion of New Year, we kind of don't carry on with that, right? We mostly don't carry on with that because we lose interest. The spirit weans away, very soon, and it just goes into a dust. But on the occasion of Independence Day, because of this being a special day, a very important, a very unique day, it remains very deep to our heart, and obviously we think quite, we, we will think a lot before we break away from the promises, or rather from the wishes that we made. So I have not made any wishes or any promises so far. I have not yet taken any sort of pledge. But yeah, I'm planning to. I'm really planning to do it. I didn't take any on the occasion of New Year, but today it's a very special day for me. So that just came to my mind, and I have been thinking of doing that. And I'm surely going to, make a wish list of mine. Something I'll make something that is realistic, something that I can stick to, something that is within my capacity. Of course, my capacity is much bigger, but then I'll have to assess that, right? I just can't write a wish that I want to go to moon in a year or something like that. It has to be realistic. It has to be pragmatic. So yeah, I'll write in that line. I'll make a wish list in that line so that I can fulfill it. I can stay true to it, and I can really work towards it, given the other commitments I have. So yeah, I would also request you too, if you can make a wish list of your own things that you want to do, but you have not been able to do so because of various reasons. But then it is never late to do anything, and if you want to do, you should do. You see, there are thousands of reasons not to do anything, but just one reason to do that, and that is, yes, you have to do it. I want to do it, or I have to do it. That's all. So this great advice was given by a friend of mine. So I really appreciate this advice that he gave it to me. It stays with me, and I always try to sort of do things rather than giving excuse. Not that I don't do that, because we are all human. At times we don't do things, and we do fall back to excuses. So that's fine, as long as you're not getting used to it. So fortunately I'm not used to it. So yeah, I'm going to make my wish list, and I would like to request you to make your own. Even though it is not 15th August, it may be a different date, but keep that spirit in your heart, and then with that note, with that commitment, just introspect, think about something that you would really like to achieve and do, and just go ahead and do that. Yeah. So once again, thank you everyone. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for watching me. Thanks for supporting me. And I would request you to please subscribe my channel and like it, and please share your feedback. Please give your comments so that I can improve, or any genuine feedback, anything that you know that can really help me improve. That is really expected, and I would appreciate that. So please help me, and yeah, just follow your heart and make it big, make it large. Thank you.